Hi, I'm Jennifer, and I'm back again talking about salads. May is National Salad Month, so we thought we would talk about some of our favorite salads, which really all happen to be kind of old world salads. And none of them are very hard to put together, and many of them you've perhaps heard of. But we thought we might shed a little bit more light and talk a little bit about something that maybe you're not familiar with these salads. So the next one we're going to talk about is Greek salad. And you might say, oh God, I've had Greek salad, no big deal, Greek salad. But when you go to Greece, the main thing that you're going to realize is there's no lettuce in real Greek salad. No romaine lettuce, no iceberg lettuce. It is really feta, tomatoes, green pepper, onion, and capers and black olives, with a few other little things, and we'll talk about that. So I have everything prepped already. This is going to be very quick. We're just going to mix it all so you can see what a real Greek salad is supposed to look like, and it makes a huge difference. So you'll never go back to eating Pizza House Greek salad again, okay? And I also encourage you to experiment with different types of feta. There's cow milk feta, there's sheep's milk feta, there's a combination of both. Find what your favorite is and get a really good quality feta, because it makes a huge difference when you are making your salad. So we have everything all prepped. Cucumbers, I'm going to just put everything into this bowl. Tomatoes. Sometimes I like to see the tomatoes so it doesn't get overly watery. You can also see the cucumbers if you want. Green pepper. I use the Cubanelle peppers because I like a little bit of spiciness, but sometimes it's nice to get the regular green bell peppers. I kind of like that deep green, so you could maybe do a combination of both as well. One addition is capers. You probably never see that here in the US, but capers really grow wild all over the place in Greece, certainly on Santorini, and it makes a big difference in the salad as a nice little element. And then feta, okay. I would even, this feta is cut up, and I would even venture to say you could cube it a little bit larger than this. I kind of like having nice large chunks of feta in my salad, okay. And then the thing that makes a really big difference with the salad is oregano, dried oregano. And it's not any dried oregano, it's dried Greek mountain oregano, which is pretty easy to find, especially if you Google it these days. But it makes a huge difference, so I encourage you to find that if you really are serious about your Greek salad. All right. A little bit of salt. And then Greek olive oil, of course. We have some delicious Greek olive oil here at the store. So we're going to load it on because they use a lot of olive oil. Greeks use more olive oil than anybody else in the world. I think us in the US, we consume something like 1.5 liters per person per year, and it's about 20 liters per person per year in Greece. Big difference. So here we go. No lettuce, a really delicious, fresh-looking salad. And you can find this recipe on our website at olivelittle.com. And if you were in Greece, this recipe would be served with something called a barley rusk, which is a really 3 times baked piece of bread that's very hard. So the rusk would go on the plate, rinsed a little bit with water to soften it, and then the salad would go over it. But right now we're just going to do salad, and I have a feeling everyone here in the store is going to enjoy some Greek salad right when we're done. And we've got the Kalamata olives in as well. Not a lot, you don't need a lot. They are pitted, a lot easier to eat when they're pitted, and we like to cut them in half. So here you go, here's our Greek salad. Hope you try it and enjoy.